Trigonometry math solution. There is an axis, left hand side, tan A plus cot A. Tan is equal to sin A by cos A. Cot is equal to cos A by sin A. This is a theory. And cos A sin A is seen. Sin A cos A. Sin A cos A. By cos A then remain sin A. Sin A multiplication sin square and thus plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 by sin cos A. Now we have to multiply now we get denominator 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A sin twice A. 2 1 by sin twice A cos A twice A. 2 cos A twice A. As is proved. I have analyzed mathematics trigonometry math solution. Please watch this, realize this, study profoundly. Please subscribe me. I am just analyzing this inorganic chemistry, modern solution, modern analysis of chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry in my previous lecture. Please watch this, realize this, and subscribe me. In previous lecture, inorganic chemistry, I have analyzed electron configuration, our principal handle, and organic chemistry. Organic chemistry or aliphatic hydrocarbon and their derivative, and some functional group, and organic orthopara or organic chemistry orthopara benzene orthopara derivative. In my previous please watch this video and subscribe me. I have analyzed maths, arithmetic coefficient equation, etc. Watch this realize in my previous speech lecture and subscribe me. Now I have further analyzed sin A by cot plus cot A, sin A by cos A plus cos A sin A, square A cos square A sin A cos A. 1 by sin A square A cos A 1 sin A cos A 2 sin A cos A 2 sin twice A 1 by sin twice A 1 by sin A is equal to cos A 2 cos A twice A as is proved. Please watch this video and subscribe me. Thank you very much.